Hi, distinction students. How are you doing there? Mr. Rubens over here. Online registration for science is still going on. Okay, so in this online registration, we're going to learn a lot of things, and I'm telling you, you are not supposed to miss this class because in everything that you do, you need to start from the foundations, yeah? And we are doing the foundations. Guess what? Today we want to talk about something, a very important topic for 2024. It's called the simple pendulum. All right, so let's talk about the simple pendulum together. How are you supposed to learn the simple pendulum? Don't forget, register for science online classes. Check the number this side. For more information, you'll be added in the group, part of the family, distinction students. All right, let's check. How is the simple pendulum? What is a simple pendulum? A simple pendulum is a device that is made of a string and a bulb. It is used to measure time. A simple pendulum is just an instrument that is made up of a bulb and a string. It is used to measure time. Okay, so this is a device that is used to measure time. It is like this. Okay, so there will be a string here. On this string, there will be attached a what? A bulb. So this bulb is supposed to start moving, and the bulb, it will start moving. Okay, so this is the example of a simple pendulum, a bulb. This is not a guava, it's a bulb. Okay, so this bulb and a string here. So this is a simple pendulum. This is a device that is used to measure time. Are you seeing how it is moving? This is how it swings. So this is the original position of the pendulum, the pendulum. This is a bulb. When we swing it like this, it will move, it will move, it will move, till it returns to normal position. So the entire swing of a bulb from this point to this point, from this point, it is one. It is one. So the full swing of a bulb is one oscillation. The number of oscillation. The full swing of a bulb is one. So how do you measure now the bulb or the pendulum, the simple pendulum? Pay attention. So if this is the first position, this is position B and this is position C. At every point, the number of oscillation is called 1/4. So from A to B, it is 1/4. From B to C, it is 1/4 again. From C to B back, it is 1/4. And from B back to A, the original, is 1/4. So you say from A to B, it is 1/4. In point form, it will be 0.25. So from A to B is 1/4. What about from A to C? Meaning for it to pass from A to C, it has passed it 1, 2. So from A to C, it is 1/4 plus 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 from A to C. This will give you 2/4, which when you simplify it, it will be 1/2 or 0.5. The next one, from A to C and back to B. 1, 2, 3. From A to C and back to B. So meaning from A to C and back to B, it will be 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. This will give you 3/4 or 0.75. And the last one, from A to C and back to A, the original. From A to C and back to A, it is 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. This was giving you what? 4/4. What is 4/4? 1. So the number of oscillations, the complete swing of a bulb from A to C and C to A, it is 1. So this is a bulb here. how does it move the original position? From this point to this point just is quarter. So we say this point, quarter. From this point to this point, we say it is 1/2. So it is like this. When it is moving, this is a bob. It makes a complete oscillation. From this point to this point, it's a complete oscillation. This is how a bob moves. This is how it moves whilst they are measuring time. Okay, so as we talk about the simple pendulum, there are things that you need to understand. Number one, we have what we call the period of the pendulum. The period of the pendulum represented by capital T. The period of the pendulum is the time taken. The time taken to complete one oscillation is the period of the pendulum. The time taken to complete one oscillation is called the period of the pendulum. So this is the period as it is moving, the time taken to complete the oscillation. To complete oscillation or one oscillation is called the period of the pendulum. How do you find the period of the pendulum? It is period, capital T, is equals to the time taken over number of oscillations. So how they do it is like this. You're going to have a phone. Okay, you have a phone or a stopwatch where you're measuring time. You put here. So as it is moving, time starts recording. Time starts recording. Okay, so to find the period of the pendulum, because the period of the pendulum is the time taken to complete one oscillation, okay, is called the period of the pendulum. The formula, period is equals to time over number of oscillations. Okay, this is what you need to understand. This is just the small introduction on the pendulum with me, the professor, that will be teaching you till you get distinction. So don't forget to register online classes that's still going on for science. Secure your spots and join now. See you later. Bye-bye.